she's deceased now. But
wow, these old.
she would check the Library of Congress and see the Dewey Decimal System and stuff. Log the votes and everything.
Got these old pictures. These are neat.
Yeah.
Huh. A lot of history here.
And this was made for a general foreman who was in the machine shop. And I know when I first started, he's the one that hired me. He was acting shop superintendent at the time. But he went in the hydraulic section as general foreman. When he retired, all of his workmen
made
that for him. And their names are etched. When he died, the family was all fighting over it, and his daughter brought it in and gave it to us.
It looks kind of like the Michelin Man.
Yes, Ball Man.
Yeah, Ball Man.
Yeah. His paintings online, I've seen them for like $5,000 and stuff.
Damn.
Wow.
That doesn't surprise me. There's a lot of depth in this painting.
Yeah, Vladimir Skirkin.
Vladimir
Wow.
Skirkin.
There's a lot of like texture and
he worked in the paint shop. So we have several paintings. We have a couple others from him, but we also have some from other artists, and they all worked in the paint shop.
Wow.
Cool.
It's great.
And but this is what they were capable of doing.
Cool.
We're down here at the Vallejo dry dock area, dry dock number 1, and we were wondering about these big structures, but you can see in the picture they used to be part of some kind of crane system that would roll back and forth because the structures are permanent. And these pictures here have more pictures of those. It's like a ship being launched there. Overhead shots. There's a entertainment. The ladies are entertaining. What year would this be?
Long time ago.
Admission to this theater is one. Admission to the theater is one victory, I think it says. That's for troop morale, sailor morale. And this is the kind of subs that Lyman worked on, Jennifer's grandpa.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Yeah. Ah, here we go. Here's the best poster of them all. Got the ladies in bathing suits. A lot of history here. It'll be interesting to see what happens to Mare Island in the future. But hopefully they'll figure out a way to keep this history. But these pictures are great.
Up with water and ran a ship up here and then pumped it out. And
yeah, you can see the pipes on the side.
Yeah. And I guess it.
All the barrel art.
They're all made by individuals, so they're all completely different. This one is really... So...
You know the story of these?
Not really, but like I just know they have different names.
There's a mural too on that wall over there. It's really cool.
Like look at how serene and beautiful this one is.
Yeah, I like the color.
And look at how cute this one is.
2 cats.
I think they're, I guess they're mercats. See, they have
they're mer cats.
They got mer legs.
I wonder if they purr like fish.
Maybe.
And this one?
All like ship themed. You got a dock.
Submarine and ship
port
theme.
town. There's a port town right there.
Compass. Oh, the sun. And then the top is the steering wheel.
Yeah. I really like the keyboard.
And the shark over here is really neat. Mare Island Art Yard. It's called the Art Yard. Display bid through 2023. It's only gonna be here another month. Shark. I like that shark. That's a pretty neat looking shark there. Submarine bursting through the cement. Mariano G. Vallejo. So this is dry dock number 1. And rumor has it they might start using this again, because all the dry docks are being used except this one. Old technology there. it's a brief tour of the Vallejo dry dock area number 1.
Yeah.
Ryan's here and Dad's here. And I had a little piece of library footage of Joyce.
Should splice that in at some point somewhere.
We'll see you.
See how.
See you on the next journey.
See you on the other side. Have a
Bye.
good one.